Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome 1 LO1. Understand UK financial crime provision relating to insider dealing and market abuse. In this video, we will explore how legal frameworks shape the fight against financial crimes in the UK. You will learn about the laws surrounding insider dealing and market abuse and how these regulations help prevent money laundering and protect the integrity of financial markets. Market abuse involves exploiting information to gain unfair advantages. It can occur through insider information, false dissemination, or price manipulation. The UK revamped its financial regulations in 2000. The Financial Services and Markets Act 2000 outlines these offenses. Understanding these abuses is crucial for maintaining market fairness. Market abuse is categorized into insider dealing, unlawful disclosure, and manipulation. Insider dealing involves using confidential information for trading. Unlawful disclosure is sharing inside information without authorization. Market manipulation covers actions affecting market performance. These behaviors undermine market trust and integrity. This directive focuses on civil penalties over criminal charges. Understanding these regulations is key to preventing financial misconduct. The Fraud Act 2006 introduced new fraud provisions. Its impact is still unfolding with significant trials anticipated soon. Delays in case rulings affect prosecution statistics. Understanding these legal changes is essential for compliance. The Act's provisions aim to deter financial fraud effectively. The Financial Services and Markets Act 2000 established a new regulatory framework. It ensures fair market access and information equality. Key objectives include enhancing organizational health and safety. Firms must comply with authorization requirements. Legal compliance has become a dynamic management function. The FSMA defines market abuse broadly. It includes any behavior evading accepted practices. The FCA can hold individuals accountable for encouraging market abuse. Common offenses include forex fraud and insider trading. The law aims to uphold market integrity and prevent illicit activities. Market abuse covers various activities like forex fraud and insider trading. High-frequency trading can also be scrutinized. The FCA provides guidance on illegal activities. Context and intent are crucial in determining legality. Organizations must educate staff on recognizing and reporting suspicious activities. The FCA enforces financial services regulations. It requires firms to contribute to regulatory standards. Organizations must ensure staff are trained in compliance. The FCA investigates suspicious transactions and issues penalties. Its role is vital in maintaining market discipline. Suspicious transactions are those potentially involving market abuse. The FCA evaluates these reports to decide on investigations. A broad sensibility test determines the scope of questionable activities. Investigations can lead to fines or public statements. Reporting and compliance are crucial in preventing market misuse. Legal compliance is essential in financial services. Firms must align with updated regulations. Compliance officers play a key role in training and communication. Organizations must adapt to changing legal landscapes. Effective compliance ensures market stability and investor confidence. Legal changes affect how financial crimes are prosecuted. New laws aim to enhance market transparency. Organizations must stay informed about regulatory updates. Compliance strategies must evolve with legal developments. Understanding these impacts is vital for legal adherence. Prosecuting financial crimes faces challenges like delayed trials. Gathering evidence can be time-consuming. Legal interpretations may vary, affecting case outcomes. Organizations must ensure accurate record-keeping. Effective prosecution relies on thorough investigation and legal clarity. The future of financial crime regulation involves adapting to new threats. Technology plays a role in both crime and prevention. Regulations must evolve to address emerging risks. Organizations need proactive compliance strategies. Staying ahead of changes ensures market integrity. Market integrity is crucial for investor trust. Regulations aim to prevent unfair advantages. Legal compliance supports transparent trading practices. Organizations must prioritize ethical behavior. Maintaining market integrity ensures long-term financial stability. Compliance officers ensure adherence to regulations. They educate staff on legal requirements. Effective communication is key to compliance success. Organizations rely on compliance officers for risk management. Their role is vital in preventing financial misconduct. Conclusion: understanding legal frameworks is essential for effectively combating financial crimes. Regulatory measures promote fairness within markets and safeguard against unethical practices. By remaining informed and ensuring compliance, organizations contribute to maintaining overall market integrity and trust. If you need any help, just WhatsApp 07484361688. Our team is always ready to assist. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.